the best feeling ever, and it's so nice to see everyone here from the community, from her past, family and friends.
It's been a great celebration of Nan's life. We've been able to kind of just celebrate everything that she's achieved. It's been a really, really great occasion.
It's so beautiful to see the statue embody all that she represented: education, children, Mount Stewart Square, St. Mary's Church.
The idea that there's a statue of a local black Welsh woman in the heart of Cardiff Central just speaks volumes for how much things have moved forward at the moment, and how society is slowly starting to progress.